Hello, what's going on, guys? My name's Kayla Rundle. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just gonna do quick maintenance on my Civic. I've been pushing this off for a long time since I give the Camaro so much loving. I'm just gonna do a quick oil change on this. I have a 2017 Honda Civic EX-L. It's the hatchback version, so it's a 1.5 liter. And the oil change is honestly really simple. The hardest part is jacking up the car. And I have Anthem Cars and Coffee, CSG Visuals with me. They're filming with me for a series that we're doing over the next few months for the Camaro and like a whole story. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be so much fun. But get this car jacked up, change the oil, and I'll also put in some battery footage. I got stuck in a parking lot and talked to some strangers and got the car fixed on that. Currently in the Costco parking lot. My Civic's been dying on me so many times, so I bought a battery from inside. And I'm going to switch out batteries in the Costco parking lot. So let's do it. Luckily, since my Civic breaks more than the Camaro, I have all of my tools in my trunk. So that makes it easy. I think we literally only need a 10mm to get the battery off.
Got it all right?
I think I'm good, yeah.
You just loosen it, pop it up.
Yeah.
But yours has a mount where it holds it in, so you're gonna have to take off this bracket too that goes across.
That's simple, 10mm as well.
It's so weird because it's not a bit. It looks like it's just a cover that clicked on there.
Probably don't even take that one off, right? If this one just slides.
Yeah, now, if you can get it to like swing around, that way you can get the battery out. Yeah.
Simple. Damn, everyone's coming. Wow, this is the hard part. This beat's heavy. Heck
Ooh.
Yeah, thank you.
You want to take off this sleeve. You got it. And then, yeah, just bring it back. Got it?
Yep. Bro, it just sits there. It's kind of sus.
How do you like your car, by the way?
This car?
Yeah.
I love it.
What year is it? The
2017
years.
hatchback. I love this car.
I have a 2020. I love it.
Of the Honda Civic?
Yeah,
really?
hatchback. It's so nice.
These are great cars. I mean, the radiator's gone out on me, so I had to replace that too, but this car has everything you need, so spacious.
Seriously, it really does. Like the rain guard.
Yeah, I love those. I was like, I have to add some
so
style
nice
to it. And I have like full LEDs on this too.
Oh, really?
From like Last Fit Auto. They are the brightest lights ever. It's amazing. You see so far.
Yeah, I've been like trying to figure out like I want different get different like lights because like it seems so dim at night.
Yeah, it's LAS.
LAS.
Yeah, just look at LAS,
Okay.
like lighting or something. But these lights are literally brighter than light bars, just like during the day.
Really?
Yeah, people like flash their brights at me, and I'm like, motherfucker.
All right, I'll turn on my brights then.
Exactly, and then you literally like you could like shine this entire side of the building.
I need to get some new lights, so I'm gonna look into that.
You should. I love how whenever my Civic breaks down in parking lots, everyone sees me like work on my car for a second, and then everybody just comes and wants to help and hang out. It's great. So thank you to those that come help out and come talk about my Civic with me. The other guy that was helping me out that you saw earlier in the video, he actually has a Civic himself, like he mentioned, if I include those clips. Super sweet. So I was telling him about like the lightings and like the rain guards I have on my car. Super nice, but everything's going off in my car right now. Look at like, geez, it says drive carefully, systems initializing, anti-theft system. But the car started, so that's a new thing for me since this past week. My car's been dying every single day. So now I'm gonna get back home and I'm probably gonna get the oil changed on this Civic, and so I'll put that in here, make it a Civic video. See you guys there, bye. I wish I had race ramps for this, but first thing you gotta do is jack up the car. Just have the jack. It's really easy. There's pinch welds right underneath the rocker. You can feel it. You see this tab, I usually do it right next to it or on it. Sometimes these bend. It's not a big issue because they literally bend on every single car over some time. So first step, jack it up. Sick.
It's just shipping things is impossible.
So once you get underneath, you have this metal tray right here, and it's just secured. I think it's by like 10 little screws, but they're little flatheads, so you literally just half turn them and they'll all pop out. And then the way you take this out is pull it forward and it drops down. And then that gives you access to the oil filter and the drain plug.
Get some guy to do the interior shots when we're. I think I got it, Mike. It's okay. It's just the oil. There we go.
I got your paper towels.
Thank you.
So tighten it down.
It's like pretty good,
So
honestly.
when you tighten it down, give it one more pass, just a little bit more.
Yeah, it's probably good.
Yeah.
Yay! Everything always becomes way more complicated than you think.
Christine. Locked in.
Oh, duh, okay. Do you guys do this?
No.
I think it's more a performance car thing. Probably don't need to do it for my Civic, but I always do anyways. It's so like, it doesn't have to circulate the oil for like an extra 20 seconds. Or 0.2 seconds.
So you're just sort of presetting the filter.
Yeah.
You always have something in it.
Exactly, because then it could like, your engine will think you have no oil just for that split, like whatever. Yeah. Hey! Almost finished. ADV1 Momo weld wheels, Forge Star is with all those companies are underneath the MW company and they're all the same company.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and then like fucking Holly owns like 100. Like I don't even know all those car companies. Sorry guys, I didn't show me pouring in the oil. I totally forgot to do that clip, but it's pretty simple. I just used a funnel and poured in. I did like 3.5 quarts of oil and it's 0W20. I use synthetic, so don't worry about that. I just used the stock oil, nothing crazy. For the Camaro, it's a lot different because of my cam and I have to get higher zinc content and everything, but stock Civic, she runs good. She runs fine. I think the underglow was draining the battery, so that's why I had to get a new battery because it just destroyed the battery cells in itself. So fixed battery, runs fine, oil change done. But I just want to say thank you everybody again for watching my video. Please go subscribe and like this video. It helps me out so I can keep making more content. I love this so much, and I might be going to SEMA, so maybe I'll be seeing you guys there if you guys are in the industry. It'd be so fun. But thank you for watching today's video. Go check out my TikTok, my Instagram, my YouTube. Everything is Kayla Rundle. But I hope you all have an amazing day and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.